Welcome everybody. Today we've got one of the original OG Autobots. There's a peek at his face. Wheeljack. According to the yes, doors open up out there. Come on. Looks very, in all honesty, looks very orangutan-ish to me. His arms are disproportionately long for his body. And like I say, he's been through the ringer a few times, so he's got some, he's not the most stable, but that is, I say unique face. Alleged, you got to excuse the stickers. I put them on when I was like 8. Allegedly, it's based on the Lancia Stratos race car, rally car. I remember seeing some of those on Top Gear, and that's a stretch for me. I'm not positive about that. That doesn't Yeah, that seems maybe a little bit more than a stretch. I mean, but I got like I was talking about with the grapple the other day. He did come with a cockpit, so you had access if they had produced the micro figures over here for us to have drivers and whatnot with them. I've lost his. He's supposed to have wings and a missile launcher. It looks like it was his weaponry. Extra simple transformation. Just pop his legs and pop his arms out. Oh yeah, and the doors, of course. This one. Okay. I'm gonna spin his head around. If I keep his legs apart, he'd stay upright. But yeah, not much to him. Not the best looking robot, but he was a big part of the cartoon, so that's I had to have him. I think it was one of those things, you know. It's like I do on a lot of these toys I'm going over. I can't believe these things entertain me for the hours and hours that they did, because they are not. My imagination must have been in overdrive for it to work. But maybe that's what it was. But anyway, that's all I got for you on old Wheeljack. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.